It's kind of a short man's crawl.
Get on your belly.
No way, last time I did that I had poison oak for weeks.
Not poison oak there.
No laying down.
Here you go.
Just gotta shrink myself.
There it is. Dirtbag photo shot.
Get a good shot there?
Oh yeah. It's all... Oh, look at that! It's like a frickin' deer. Nice job there, Peter. Let's see those legs. Yeah.
Much.